This bar client uses Aloha's point of sale system. They're able to perform at an extremely high level where they're accounting for 98.9% of all the liquor poured, missing just 1.1%. Aloha users will be familiar with this product mix report where you can see how many times each individual drink was sold. We were able to take the PMIX report and run it through our recipes module. So we write a recipe for each drink. So in this case, we sold 759 Tullamore Dew shots and they call for 1.5 ounces. That allows us to calculate exactly how many ounces were poured and also account for drinks where the pour size is a little different and precisely add up the total. The end result is a bar that performs at a high level, missing just around $200 on $80,000 in sales. And over time, they can track how their accountability score, shown in the black line, relates to the dollars missing, shown by the block bars. If you're interested to integrate your Aloha point of sale with an effective inventory system, schedule a sales demo with Bar today. Thanks for watching.